how do you measure? Is there a way to measure whether your communication is working so you can start to adjust that in real time?
I think every organization is going to have their own key performance indicators, your KPIs, your OKRs, whatever your term you as an organization look at. You as an organization need to sit there and say, what are we measuring? Why are we measuring it? And why is it important to us? And some people want to sit there and say, I want to make sure that, that uh, problems are resolved within X amount of time. Some people want to say says that that phones are picked up on the first or second ring. Some people want to sit there and say that their NPR scores are higher. Whatever it is, everybody has to sit there and say. But what you need to sit there and say, is what I'm measuring moving my needle, and is it moving the needle of my customers? And if
Yeah.
it's not, you're probably measuring the wrong thing.